Hi, I'm going to show you now how to tie a caddis using the magic tool and several different colors for the wings. Actually, this is the MP55, which is described on those pages. And what is quite interesting is, in fact, in that book you can find all the pattern that I've been creating. And the way it is displayed on the bottom page here, you can find all the tools, and on the other side you can find all the components required to tie this pattern. So let's go. So you tie the thread first in, you go up to the beginning of the bend of the hook, and then use that color, which is the cream color. I prefer to use a quite long CDC in order to be able to fulfill and make a nice body out of it. Do not hesitate to incorporate the beginning of the feather in the process. It will make a thicker body. This is typical from caddis pattern, so use the special tool which allows you to twist and wrap the feather around the hook shank like this and try to make it as cylindrical as possible. So I do not use the natural conicity of the stem. When you reach this level, you stop. This is the end of the body. You make several turns in order to secure the thread, in order to secure the feather, and now to secure the thread. Trim the excess. You cannot incorporate all the fibers. Clean up the body that way. Actually, if you finish the fly like this and you drop it on the water, it floats already due to this material. Now I am going to select 3 different feather, one which is the same color as the body, and the other 2 which are the bistre color. So put the barb 90 degrees from the stem, like I'm doing now. I do put the smallest on the bottom, medium and that one on the top. And then I collect the 3 feathers that way. I choose one of the table clip which is the most appropriated for that, and as you see here, all the 3 feathers are together. I trim the excess on both sides and then I transfer to the regular clip. As you see, all the stems are nicely lined up, so it's easy to trim them off at once like this. And this is what I'm going to use for the wings. For that, first I do recommend to flat the thread a little bit, and you can use the needle, quite sharp needle, in order to split the thread in 2, and then you incorporate the alcohol substitute that way and you release the clamp. Okay, now the only thing you have to do is to twist a little bit in your finger and then to twist the bobbin in order to add some twists. When you've got enough, you forward them on the top like this and you rewind in the bobbin. And then this is what I'm going to use for the wing. So you invite the fibers to go backwards in order to have the illusion of a wing like this. And when you reach the end, you make with your finisher a nice clean head like this. So 1 and another one again here, and that's it. That's not yet finished. We still have to adjust the length. Yes, I think that will do the job, and to check and to remove what is on the bottom, because I like very much to have the flies floating very close to the surface of the water. So What is quite nice with this pattern is you can choose the color you want, you can mix the color you want, and you can put as well the amount of CDC you like. So thank you for your attention.